Here we have a very nice large antique pine wardrobe. This one dates from around about 1910 and it's German. And as you can see, it's got nice panelled doors. There's a little bit of carving up at the top corners and fluting down the left and right side. You've got bun feet at the front. Like most of our wardrobes, this one does totally dismantle for delivery, so we'll go up any stairway into a bedroom and what have you. It's got a fully working lock and key with the original brass key plates. And it's sticking a bit, but we'll sort that out for you. And this one is nice and tall, so you've got an area down the bottom here which would certainly be good for storing shoes and what have you. The code for this one is L2005E. The price on the bill is £900, or if you'd like it waxed and polished, we can sell it to you for £997. It's 77 inches high, 63 inches wide. The external depth is 25 inches, but the internal depth is 19 inches, so it's deep enough for hanging large coats.